Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. 2 weeks ago I reviewed on 4K streaming TV box and you people give me very positive feedback on that video. That's why I have decided to make another video about this unbranded full HD TV stick. This is how small this is. There is a micro USB power connector, and inside the box as usual you will get everything you needed. First of all, I will tell you about the features. This TV stick supports Google TV, Google Chromecast, and it will also deliver Dolby audio sound, and it will also support all the major streaming platforms. The device is powered by quad-core Cortex A35 CPU and Mali G31 GPU. It has 1.5 GB RAM with 8 GB storage and dual-band Wi-Fi. And the extraordinary thing about this TV stick is its remote. It's very handy and well capable. You will get all the major streaming service buttons built in into the remote. I like this feature very much. And this is the power adapter, and most importantly, as this is a TV stick, you will also get a half-meter HDMI extender inside the box. Now what about price? The price is unbelievable. You can buy this on Full HD streaming device only for $13 from Walmart USA. This is absolutely deal breaker. I can't believe myself when I saw the offer on Walmart's website. So why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? Go to Walmart and buy this streaming device right now. And if you are using this device, then please leave us a comment. Other potential customers can learn a few things from your user review. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please share it on your social platform and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.